Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matthews from M&F Forex Traders. I hope you are all right. I hope you're doing great. All right. So, before we start this video, I want to share something that I did yesterday in the video for yesterday. You guys, this is I showed you a trade that we took on GBP I'm sure you guys remember me showing you this particular trade, right? This trade here. Do you remember? Remember, I told you that I sent it to our private community. All right, now let me show you what's happened since then. Okay, so this is the trade. Now, look at that. The market literally had dropped about 150 pips, and right now it's just retracing, and we hope for more movement until probably comes to this 330 pip mark. Okay, look at that. This is the same trade here. Okay, and now it has dropped 150 pips. That's huge, guys. And look at the accuracy. That's very good. Okay, now let's go to our setup for today. Also, which was shared yesterday. Let me show you. This is Gbpcad. This is Gbpcad, you guys. So what did we have here? We had one of the best setups you ever find, which is a dual resistance right here. So we had the dual resistance, then we had the low. So this is a QM, this is a low, and that's a higher high. Then we had a lower low right here. Okay. Again, like I always say, we need a complete QM setup. Therefore, this gave us a complete QM setup. All right. So this alone here is a complete what? QM setup. Right? This is the past. This is what is happening in the past. And I try and manipulate price. And this what happens after this is what we call the progress. How does the market come to you? So if you pay particular attention and focus on what is happening here, you will realize that the market was actually giving us a what? A fake out. So this is where you look at how is price coming to you? How is price approaching your level? All right. So here you look for fake out. So in this particular one, we had resistance 1, 2. And remember, you guys, every time the market gives you 2, 3 resistance, it's going to break it. Look at this level. The market gave you resistance, and what happens? The market broke its resistance. Why did it break the resistance? Because they know that the smart money know that the retail traders would be trying to sell here, and the market had to be taken out. There's liquidity above this level. Same here. The market gave us resistance, and what happens? The market takes this resistance out. Not just that, the market comes to this level here and takes out the stop losses which are here. There are a cluster of stop losses above this resistance, because that's what we were taught. We are taught to put our stop loss above resistance, 20 pips above resistance, right? That's how it is. So if you know that there's liquidity above those stop loss, I mean those are resistance, why would you even consider taking a trade from there? The best you can do is wait for that liquidity to be taken out and then you enter. This is what we did. So if you look here, after this was taken out, then we sold from here. Not just selling, because we sold, of course, after having the confirmation, but also we understood that at this level there was a fresh supply zone. Okay, let me just delete this. We had a fresh supply zone here. That's the reason why we had to sell from here. Of course, you can't get it from here, so you can drop to let's say the 30 minutes time frame. You realize that there was actually a level here. This is our level. Okay, so that's the reason why we always have to do multiple time frame analysis. So this was an order block here. Okay, of course, on the 1 hour it won't be so much visible, right? it can be very much visible in the 1 hour. Therefore, it's very important that you do multiple time frame analysis. Okay, it's very important. And now look at that. So we had nice resistance here, and then another resistance. Then the market took out this resistance, and then the market dropped. Right now, as we're talking, the market had dropped over 80 pips, like 87 pips. Literally, I entered from here. I sold from here and sent the signal to our private community as well. And the stop loss was just above here, 130 pips, and target is 430 pips. And I'm still in this particular trade. I'm using the other broker. This one is better for analysis. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, this is very beautiful. Nice QML dual resistance QML setup right here. We have a low and a higher high. Then the market gives you what? A lower low. And right here we have beautiful resistance here and another resistance here, and the market breaks this resistance, takes out the liquidity around this area, and then drops. Let me show you. I'm not just bluffing, guys. This is real. Look at this. How amazing is that? How amazing is that, guys? Like being able to predict exactly where the market is likely to turn around. That's amazing. That's amazing, guys. Look at this. This is the same setup that actually took. Look, and now the market has dropped from here. That's not magic, guys. Like that takes a skill. It takes a skill to be able to learn how to do that. Like you need to develop a skill to be able to take such trades. Okay, and the good part about it is that the skill is actually learnable and it's not even difficult. Okay, the skill is very teachable. You have to stress about it. All right, so that's how it is, guys. Like we're able to send this signal to our private community, and they enjoy it. Like these two trades were for yesterday, and one trade is currently in profit by how many pips? Like well, that's like 80 pips, and the other trade is in profit by how many pips now? It was in profit by about 150 pips. That's amazing. This is just yesterday. These were yesterday's trades. So yesterday we didn't have any loss. We took two trades and both of them are in profit. Look at that. Beautiful setup. Okay. QML, what we call a dual resistance QML, a lower low and a higher high, then break of structure, resistance, the market takes out the liquidity, comes to this entry, and we go in. Just like that. As simple as that. I mean, what can be so difficult, right? So, you guys, if you're interested in learning the skill, if you're interested in acquiring the skill that can change your life, the links are down in the description. Okay? The links are down in the description. Don't sleep on this. Come learn with us. Alright? So thank you for watching. And please, if you've not subscribed, I believe this is the right time to subscribe. Watch the videos. These videos contain so much information. They contain so much knowledge that you guys actually sleeping on. Alright, so please subscribe, like the videos, share it with your friends so that you can actually learn together. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Until next time, goodbye.